To the person who first made my heart flutter with the simple words, ingat kayo, lalo ka na.
Alam mo naman yan, Han, believe talaga ako sa'yo. Kahit mabagal kang kumilos at madalas kang late, pinaramdam mo sa akin what it means to live with purpose at magmahal ng walang limitasyon.
Aaron, you know now what to do.
Ken, Han, standing here today, overwhelmed with love. Dahil alam kong kinasal na ako sa forever partner ko and my greatest inspiration.
Adam, pag gagabihin ka, lasing ka, dala mo dapat ang wedding album mo lagi. Para pag nag-aabang si Ken sa pinto, lasing ka, sasabihin ni Ken, lasing ka na namang hayop ka. Ba't ka laging ganyan? Sabi mo, Ken, tama na. Sawan-sawa na ako sa lagi nating away. Buksan mo yung wedding album mo, na-miss ko na yung babaeng pinakasalan ko.
Ayun na nga ba sinasabi? Wow!
The most exciting parts of the relationship of Aaron Adam and Kenneth Marie to be able to understand the meaning of the institution that you are now receiving. It is the sacrament of marriage.
Kenneth Marie, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes po.
Adam, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Please, Papa.
You have stolen. You have stolen. You have stolen my heart. What you spin around in your highest heels, you are the best one of the best ones. We all look like we feel. You have stolen my. You have stolen my. You have stolen my heart.
To the introvert who talked so much on our first meeting that I forgot my hunger dahil sa sobrang daldal mo, hindi mo na ako naalok ng pagkain. To the guy who gave me a K-drama moment, tapping my head like this, and said, ingat, pero ala John Lloyd. To that man na nagsisend ng songs na kinakanta niya with feelings, pero pag pinagsabihan mong ulitin, biglang may amnesia. To the same person now standing before me, in front of God, in front of my family and friends, our family and friends, maraming salamat.
Mama, you will always be my first love. Walang tatalo sa iyong pamamahal. Ay, ikaw muna naiiyak ako. Walang tatalo sa iyong pagmamahal at sakripisyo. You always have my love and gratitude. I love you, Alan. Thank you.
You are my lens when my vision is blurred, my calm when life is loud, my balance when things feel too much. You are my answered prayer, and not just mine, mama, and daddies too.
Dear Han, na-surprise ka ba? Itong necklace na to is a reminder how special you are to me dahil nag-iisa ka lang. Di ba kaya gustong-gusto mo yan for... Oh! Natuloy? To?
Faith, hope, love, and love. Yung 4-leaf clover.
Aaron and Kenneth, the church will bless you and the church will expect that you is going to be a model as husband and wife. Congratulations.
Since you're my perfect puzzle piece, wala ka nang kawala. Sorry, but this is covered by a no return, no exchange policy. You are here and you're here for life. Andito ka na habang buhay. I love you so much, Han. Let's do this.